Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Lazy Pink Wolf, back with another video. I sound different, I don't know why. But today I am making shirts. So this is the shirt I'm making right now, and don't mind this. But yeah, I'm making that shirt. I will show you how to make a full shirt in 1 minute. Be right back. It's like 1 second for you, but it's like 50 minutes for me, so thanks, hun. Okay, so I just finished this one. It doesn't look good right now, but it will when I finish it. But like, what the hell am I saying? But now, you need to save it. There we go. Woo! And done. So, it should say bitch, but sadly you can't put that on Roblox. Sadly. But yeah, I will make a full video on how to make shirts later on, today or tomorrow. But thanks for watching. I am putting them in the group. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. And it will be on my profile, Lazy Pink Wolf the Best 2, DA Best 2. And then I made a other shirt as well. I'm not sure where it is, but yeah. Thanks for watching. If you want to see other types of things like shirts and stuff, yeah, then I can make more and I'll show you like how to. But yeah, if we can get 2 likes on this video, I will make a full video on how to make shirts. But thanks for watching. Bye!